Alright, so today we have a 2023 GMC Terrain. We're going to reset the change oil soon message. So let me switch off. Let me start the vehicle again. As you can see, change engine oil soon. So what we're going to use is the buttons to the right of the steering. Press dismiss. You can use the left navigation button to bring out that menu. Scroll up to the I, which is info panel. Select that. You can scroll up and you will see remaining oil life. So you can press and hold the middle button until it is reset. So 100% oil life remaining. You can go ahead and reset the trip to 0. Reset that trip to 0 as well. And then you can leave it at that. That's it.